Welcome back to my channel, guys. Hope you are so well, because again new coronavirus has been spreading all over the world, again starting from the China. So be safe, make sure to wear the mask and follow precautions, and even maintain a good social distancing. Okay, mainly why I'm making this video is because more than 20,000 people are dying because of snake bites in India. So I thought, why should I share my snake skills towards you people? Okay, this is my new channel. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon behind it. If you like my videos, give a thumbs up, because it's motivating. Okay, let's get into this video. First of all, in India, the dense and dark forest of India offers best habitat for the reptiles. There are 270 plus species of snakes in India, out of which about 60 are venomous. The big four extremely dangerous snakes of India includes number 1 Indian cobra, number 2 common krait, and number 3 Russell's viper, and number 4 saw-scaled viper. Like I said, every year 20,000 people die due to venomous snake bites in India. Okay. Out of them, the number 1 position goes to Indian cobra, Indian spectacled cobra. Scientific name is Naja naja. Indian cobra is one of the most highly venomous snake found throughout India. Indian cobras are found in many habitats, but generally preferred open forest, edges, fields, and areas around villages. They feed on rodents, lizards, and frogs. Obviously, Indian cobra is mostly seen in villages, obviously, because there are field agriculture lands. It's aggressive snake. It's damn aggressive, and it contains neurotoxic venom. So be aware of it. And number 2, my particular favorite snake, okay, personal favorite snake, common krait. Scientific name Bungarus. I kept the name as silent killer because its venom is extremely neurotoxic and includes muscle paralysis. Its bite is lethal to men. It is rarely noted cases that human die through this bite, because this snake is shy type, not aggressive. But if it strikes, you are in big danger. There are 12 species and 5 subspecies of krait. Some of them are common krait, banded krait, and Indian krait. The Bungarus, commonly called as common krait, is most dangerous venomous snake in India and one of the deadliest snake in the world. Okay, for example, if you are sleeping at night, if this snake bites you, till the morning you will be dead. Yeah, even you can't feel the pain of the bite. It feels like an ant bite. So be aware of it. And every snake photos will be appeared here. Okay. Number 3, Russell's viper. Aggressive snake. India's aggressive snake is Russell's viper. It can bite 4 times at a time, and it can inject venom at every time. It has hemotoxic venom. Okay. Indian cobra and common krait both has neurotoxic, but it has hemotoxic. What is neurotoxic mean? It affects nervous system. Hemotoxic means it kills blood cells. Okay. The Russell's viper is the most venomous species found in India. After the krait, Russell's viper is another big killer snake in India, accounting for thousands of deaths each year. It is the smallest, the big 4 most dangerous snakes of India, with an average length of 4 feet. The dark brownish gray deadly snake feeds on rodents, lizards, and small birds. Okay, it's a damn aggressive snake. People are confused between Russell's viper and Indian rock python. There are differences between them. It's a big snake, Indian rock python, boa species, and this is viperidae species. Russell's viper has patterns, diamond sort of patterns behind it. Okay, but this thing has some sort of camouflage. Okay, make sure to check them. I'll appear these photos there. And 4th, the smallest viper species which is extremely venomous. Saw-scaled viper, scientific name Echis carinatus. It is rough-scaled snake with large eyes, wider head than neck and stocky body, habitat in sand, rock, soft soil and in scrublands. It feeds lizards, frogs and variety of arthropods also, such as scorpions, centipedes. They both are also venomous but not as venomous as the snake, and large insects. The Indian saw-scaled viper is small viper from one of the 8 species of small viper venomous family snakes. Yeah, saw-scaled viper is the smallest viper species which is extremely venomous. Okay, this is my first video. If you like, please give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe my channel, because if I post every video, you'll be notified by those options. Till then, bye from Ashwath. Bye.